Hello everyone. In this video, I explain how integrating different language teaching methods into an eclectic approach can help us meet diverse learner needs more effectively. I'll briefly cover key principles for major methods, discuss why combining them is beneficial, and finish with a practical classroom example. The eclectic teaching approach integrating language teaching methods. Why use an eclectic approach? Language learners have diverse needs, learning styles, and backgrounds. No single teaching method fits all learners perfectly. An eclectic approach blends different methods and approaches to create a flexible, dynamic, and effective learning environment. Key methods and their principles, method core principle, typical activities. The first one, communicative language teaching, SLT. Focus on meaningful, real-life communication and fluency over accuracy. For example, we can have in this one role plays, dialogues, information gap activities. The another one is natural approach provide comprehensible input in a low anxiety settings to promote natural acquisition. For example, we can have here listening to stories, watching videos, observing pictures without forced speaking. The another one it is going to be the task-based language teaching, TBLT. Use real-world tasks where language is a tool for communication. For example, planning trips, problem solving, presenting information. The another one it is going to be content-based instructions, TBI. Teaching language through meaningful content, integrating subject matter and language. Lessons about culture, science, or history using authentic text. The another one it is going to be cooperative language learning, CLA. Use group interaction and collaboration to enhance learning and motivation. Group projects, puzzles, storytellings in themes. We are going to have the some advantages of the eclectic approach. It is going to be the flexibility. Adapt methods to suit different learners and contexts. Comprehensive. Develops all language skills, speaking, listening, reading, and writing. The engagement. Various activities to maintain students' interest and motivation. Learner-centered. Balances teacher guidance with students' autonomy. The practical prepares learners for authentic language. The practical lessons that we are going to have, for example, here, we are going to have daily routines with A1 level. The lesson objective is students will learn to talk about their daily routines using simple present tense and time expression. The step 1 we are going to have that is natural approach. We are going to have that in this step we are going to with comprehensible input. I am going to show a short video or series of pictures showing someone's daily routine. I can say I take a shower at 8 a.m. and I am going to show a video about it, so you are not going to worry about pressure to speak. You are going to only absorbing vocabulary and context. The step 2 we are going to have that is the communicative language teaching. We are going to have that the speaking practice. Some students pair up and ask and answer questions like, what time do you wake up? And the answer, I wake up at 7 o'clock. We are going to use some question prompt sheets to support beginner. The step 3 is the cooperative language learning, group collation. We are going to have some small groups create a poster combining the daily routines with drawings and simple sentences. The students share ideas and help each other. The step 4 is task-based language teaching, that is the presentation task. Groups present their posters to the class and answer questions. This is a real communicative task integrating speaking and listening skills. Some of these one we are going to use video or picture of daily routines. question prompts, poster supplies with paper or markers, assessment reflection. We are going to have that here. We can, after a presentation, discuss with the students which activities did you like most. How did your work in pairs group help you? And we are going to offer some feedback and gently correct errors. And the summary that we are going to have with all of this is by combining the natural approach, CLT, cooperative learning, and task-based teaching, this lesson meets diverse needs, from input comprehension to speaking fluency and teamwork skills. This eclectic approach keeps learning motivated, supports multiple skills, and mirrors authentic language use. Thank you for being here. See you in the next class.